Hi, this is Yeshwanth here. I am from Hyderabad. So I enrolled Powertrain Master course in Decibels Lab. So far I completed almost like 30% of the syllabus which has been assigned for us. So today I'm here for 2-day offline workshop. So where we have the complete cell level knowledge, where we can do the cell testing and how the cell characteristics are going on. And apart from that, like we can have the how the dyno systems are going on, like what is the modules are already involved in a powertrain system. And we have complete hands-on experience today, and this is a very wonderful experience for us. For initial like who don't have the knowledge about the EVs, so this is the right course what I prefer, what I suggest for everyone. Apart from that, like for further we are expecting more offline sessions as they were permitted. So we are expecting some more hands-on training and hands-on practices here, so that it will be helpful for our to gain the knowledge in the EV domain. Not only limited to the powertrain and the battery, like whatever the things we can explore, I'll be hoping for that will be happening.